Okay. Oh my God! Oh, oh my God, that is a giant, dude. All right, tournament today on the Catawba River chain, or Catawba. I cannot, for the life of me, get the hang of saying it the correct way. Anyways, we have a tournament today. Last time I checked, there was 45 anglers. There could have been more, because once I went to bed, you know, or no, I think it was 45 is maxed out, because 7:30 was the cutoff. But anyways, there's around 45 anglers. This is a SC Bass event. I got to do really good on this one so I can try and win me Angler of the Year and possibly win that kayak, because I would love to get myself a new kayak. I hope you guys enjoy the video. We'll catch you at the end. Peace out. Oh, what a net job, huh? If it would have been a big one, I would have lost him. Okay. Okay. Whoa! 14 and a half. Not a bad fish. That was pretty cool the way he freaking exploded on that thing, though. I don't think I've had a bite like that since like a long time ago. Okay, 14-incher. Gonna probably catch a lot of those today, which is fine, but just gotta mix in some big ones here and there. Holy crap, I just caught a catfish. Unless this is the biggest bass of my life. I doubt that's the case though. Holy crap, dude. I just caught a big catfish, dude. He's literally dragging me. He's just dragging me. This is a giant catfish. Holy, on a jig, dude. He about broke my rod because I don't have my drag set. This is gonna be a minute. He's not. He's in charge. He's literally just dragging, dude. He's going wherever he wants to go. Why are we going here, dude? Oh no, we can't go in there, man. We can't go in there. I'm sorry, Mr. Catfish. We cannot go in there. Okay. Holy crap. Oh, shucks. Holy smokes, man. We don't want you to go under there, brother. Oh, he's... Come on, get out of there. Come here. Oh. We'll get you there. Okay. You gotta go come this way, buddy. Get you away from that dock, dude. Come on. Oh, this thing is huge, dude. I don't know how big it is, but it's giant, dude. I mean, it's gotta be... Oh, it's huge, dude. Oh, it's huge. This is the biggest fish. This is the biggest fish I've ever caught in my entire life. Okay. Finally got him away from that dock. My arms are tired. I know it's a tournament and I'm supposed to be focused on catching freaking bass, but dude, you cannot tell me that this isn't a cool catch. Okay, we finally got him away from the dock. Let's see if we can get him to come up and... No. He hasn't decided to leave yet. Dude, my arms are tired. I mean, it's huge, dude. This is easily the biggest fish I've ever caught. I mean, he's giant. Like, not even... He must be 50 pounds. I don't know, maybe I'm overestimating, but let's see how big he is. Come on, big boy. Oh, dude, that is a mass. Oh my God, bro. Holy crap, dude. I cannot believe that's what I just caught. I hope he didn't come off. I actually really want to get him in the boat so you guys can see how, I mean, this fish is probably 50 pounds, dude. And he was so shallow too. Like, I thought I had a freaking... He's in charge of me, man. He's pulling me around. Let's see if we can get him in the freaking net. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I don't know how this happened, but I thought he bit it, but it actually just hooked him on his fin. That's crazy. Okay. Oh my God. Oh, oh my God, that is a giant, dude. That, I don't know how big that is, bro. Oh my God. I mean, no, okay, I accidentally foul hooked him. I wasn't trying to catch catfish, but dude, that is pretty freaking cool. I mean, that's gotta be 50 pounds plus. That's a giant. I don't know how much that freaking weighs, but all I know is it's a giant. Okay, look at the freaking size of that thing. Holy crap, dude. Look at that. Look at the size of that freaking fish, dude. I don't care what if you're fishing a tournament or not. That is a freaking cool. Look at the mouth. That's unbelievable, man. Woo-wee. All right, let's get him back in the water. Oh, Jesus. Here you go, baby. What an unbelievable creature. I love this, dude. This is what we do it for. This is what we do it for, man. Wow. That was a cool, That was cool. I don't give a crap. I wasn't trying to catch him, but that was cool. Oh my gosh. I don't give a crap what anybody says. I don't care if it's the middle of the tournament. I don't care if I lose today. If I get freaking last place, man, that was the coolest thing that could have happened to me today. Flipped it. He did hook him in the mouth, and then it actually came out and then hooked him in the dorsal fin because there was like a big hole on his mouth. So he hit it, and maybe it just got his skin. It looked like it kind of like maybe skin hooked him, but it did slip out and then hook him in the face. I mean in the dorsal fin. But how freaking cool, man. All right, we gotta get back to fishing. We got more important things to do. I have no idea how big that catfish was, but let's just say he was big. Okay. I just got a big bass. Oh my god. Yes. Oh, Jesus. Holy crap. Okay. Put this baby. Okay. All right. Let's make sure we got a good picture. 23-incher. Ooh, that's a freaking giant fish. I think that's gonna win us big bass. First time ever. That's it there. It's there. Give another cast. Another good bass, another good one. Nice, nice. On a brush pile, dude. It's my first brush pile fish, and it's a good one. Nice, dude. This is, I just caught one off a brush pile. Like, you have no idea how amped up I am about that, because I've been trying to learn how to fish brush piles, and I found one, and there's a fish, man. How freaking cool is that? Okay. Bit it on the way up though, that's the weird part. $17-incher. That's my first ever brush pile. I caught him on a brush pile, which is like makes me really happy for myself because I've never done that before. That's the first time I've ever caught one right off a brush pile, and so that's really cool to me to have that experience of getting to do that. And I've been wanting to do that for a long time. Okay, we'll wait on that one. It's probably a little further forward than right there. There he is. Oh, there's another one too with him. $14, huh? Okay. 14-incher fills the limit, puts us into a better place. We gotta catch some bigger ones though. That one that was chasing wasn't very big. He was a little guy. Let me see if he'll eat it. $15 or something. Yeah. 14.5, baby. Okay. 14.5, that's a half-inch upgrade. Just keep doing that, and even if it's slow, over time, we'll reel them in. Giant, dude. It's another giant. That's the one. That's the one, baby. Oh, don't come on, don't come on. Yes. That's the one that I saw yesterday. Oh, thank God. Oh my God, dude, I think I'm gonna win this crap. Okay. Okay. All right. 17.25. I think that's gonna really help. Okay, all right. Knew it. All right, tournament is over. I have no idea what place I got. I was in second place. The only reason I was in second place is because of a tiebreaker, because I had the 23-incher, and first place he had like a smaller fish but same exact length. We both had 86.25. They turned the live results off with an hour to go, so who knows how many places I dropped or if I dropped any places. I didn't lose any. I don't think I lost any important fish today, not that I can think of. I did lose some fish, but nothing that I think was like super valuable. It was a lot of fun, that freaking giant catfish. I know most people get upset when they catch something, but dude, I just love fishing in general, and like to catch a fish like that, I don't care what I'm doing. If I catch a catfish like that, dude, heck, it could be the biggest tournament of life. I catch freaking however much that thing weighed, I'll be excited. That was really awesome. It was surprising. Like, I skipped it under a dock. He did bite it. I felt the thump, but what happened is it looks like it was like a little rip on his lip right here. So I think it caught, skin hooked him. He turned, ripped it out, and then it hooked him underneath the dorsal fin. So I guess in a way I snagged him, but not on purpose. But still, I caught him. He was freaking giant. It was really awesome. Then that freaking huge bass. God, that was so cool. And I got so excited because I've always wanted to win big bass. Like, that's been like one of my big goals this year. And I won big bass. I had the biggest bass of the tournament, but I didn't pay my $5 fee before the tournament. So I'm not gonna win the money for it. There's a side pot plus $100. I don't get none of it because I didn't buy into big bass. I don't know why I did that. Well, I know why. I signed up like a month ago because I was excited for the tournament, but I'm always like, I just always feel like it's pointless to get big bass to buy in, because I always catch, every time I catch a really, really big one, like somebody catches a bigger one. So in my head, I'm like, someone's just gonna catch a bigger one. Like, there's no point. It's like, I don't even need the I don't even put the $5 in. And of course, this is the one time that I've done this, once. And of course, that's the time I catch the freaking biggest bass in the tournament, dude. There's a plaque and the obviously side pot that would have been even more cash. Oh, God, I'm so frustrated about that, guys. I really don't know what the heck I was thinking. But from now on, I will buy into the big bass pot every single tournament. It doesn't matter if I feel like I'm gonna catch a big bass or not. But awesome day. Hopefully, like I said, hopefully I stick in the second place. Thank you guys so much for watching the video, and we'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.
I mean, you got third place, 86 and a quarter. The bigger fish got you there. Taking home $500, man. It's a good payout. And you punched your ticket today to the state championship for sure. You're up there in points already. But man, that's a good bag for real, man. That's good. That's good fishing. So you said you was in Wylie and fishing the beds. I remember you saying something about that, man, on the last video we had, and look, it produced. It worked.
Yeah.